Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to apply at University of Perugia, that is also a public university in Italy and offering scholarships for bachelor's and master students. So to apply for this university, I will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. So after opening this website, I can just search here Perugia, and I will get this result where I have all the information on University of Perugia Italy Scholarships 2024. So I will just click on this page and I will get this information related to university. So it is basically a public university in Italy, and all these other information is given for this university. So eligibility criteria is also given. You can also read it. And required documents, these are mostly the same for all the universities, so you just have to prepare these documents while applying. And scholarship coverage is also same mostly for all of the universities. Okay, so programs that are being offered in English languages, so these are the programs that are being offered in English, and there is a list of some programs in which some subjects are taught in English while others are taught in Italian language. So to apply for this university, you just have to click on this button. This will take us to university website. Then to check university courses, I will click on courses button. This will give us all the information about the courses that are being offered by this university. So as we are going to apply for English taught programs, we will click on courses held in English, this button. Okay, so it's the information about the courses that are being taught in English, and here you can see the courses with some modules in English. Okay, so you can see in this course only engineering management is the course that is being offered for bachelor's, while others are for master programs. Okay, so you can choose your course from here, and then you can just click on international students. Okay, so here at the end you can see a course catalog in which we can see admission procedures, living and accommodations, and different information. So I will click over here. Okay, so information on the institution. Here we can see admission button. I will click over here. Then I will click over this link. Okay, so this information is for non-EU students. As we are non-EU students, so this is the procedure that we need to follow to apply for this university. So we will just have to first apply on University Italy website. So I will just click over here. It will take me to universityitaly.it website. So at the right corner I see a emoji. I will click on this icon. So it will ask me to log in. So it is asking me to log in, as I already have created account on universityitaly.it. So if you don't have any account, then you will click on register button to register yourself. So I will click on sign in button. Okay, I have logged into University Italy account. Now to change language, I will click on this icon. It will convert the language from Italian to English. Okay, so here you can I will click here. You can see all the personal data that you will have to put while creating your account on your universityitaly.it. As I have already created, so my data is shown over here. I can also change data by clicking on these buttons, change data button. Okay, so to pre-enroll, I will just click on pre-enrollment application button. Okay, so again I will convert it into English language. and then I will click on go to application button. Okay, here it is step A. So you will just select the academic year, which is 2024 to 2025. So then you will have to put all your personal data, that includes your name, gender, birth date, country, etc. And then you have to write your official home address. You will fill all this information and contact details. Then you will click on go to step B. Here you will provide your passport information, and then you will upload a passport size picture of your face, and then you will also have to upload a picture of your passport. Your passport first page picture you have to upload over here. Then you will click on your country. You will select your country, and then after selecting country you will select embassy where you want to apply for visa. You can select according to your country. So I will click on Islamabad. Okay, then you have to give your reason for the visa application. I want to enroll in a study course. You have to select this if you want to apply for study visa. Okay, so then in the institution you will select a university. Then institution name is the University of Perugia. So I will select it, and it is the second last over here. Okay, I will select it, and in the language I will click on English language. I think I have selected wrong one. So University of Perugia. I will select this university from the list. Okay, here it is. I will select this university. Then I will click on English taught programs, and here are the programs that are being taught in English language. So you can select your related program, whichever it is. For example, I will select on civil engineering. Then it will ask me to select a course curriculum. As I am applying for English, so I will click on this structural engineering that is being taught in English language. Okay, I think this is an Italian language course, so I will change program to this one. Okay, so I will see it. Okay, it is in English language. You can choose according to your own program. Then I will have to click on go to step C. Okay, in this step I will have to apply all upload all the qualification and language certificates documents. I will all the documents you will have to upload your transcript, your diploma, English proficiency letter, letter of recommendations, and all the other documents. Okay, so you just have to select whichever you want to upload. For example, I am uploading transcript, then you will have to choose file and then write qualification name whichever you are uploading. You can write transcript over here, then you will have to click on upload qualification and it will be uploaded. So you can upload all these documents one by one, and then you will have to click add summary. Here you will see the summary of your information that you have already written over here. Then after going through all this information, you just have to click on I have read the data processing, and you will have to click on apply for pre-enrollment button, and your application will be submitted. So this was the procedure to apply for this university. Thank you.